Good afternoon, folks. We're coming to you a bit later than we normally would. This morning we woke up and it was terribly wet outside. It was raining a lot. We honestly weren't sure what we were going to do, but we ended up coming here to Jurerê, and this is potentially the nicest neighborhood in all Florianópolis and possibly all of Brazil, to be honest. It's really well known, and it's also on a beach. Now, we've been to Jurerê before, just one time, whenever we came to visit the Ilha do Francês, and you can find that link in the description box below if you want to see that video. But we didn't do much exploring around this neighborhood. We're going to be taking it really easy and just exploring around the neighborhood, and hopefully we don't get rained on today. Yeah, it's really quiet around here.
It is.
Not many cars. I really like that house on the right.
Oh wow, I love it.
Yeah. It gives me like a lot of Miami vibes.
Exactly, I was going to say that. It's so pretty and perfect, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to write it in our list to buy.
Oh wow. This is the entrance.
I could definitely live here.
That's such a grand entrance.
I can live here. Wow, I love it.
Oh.
I love the trees.
I just like all the grand entrances like this.
Yeah, it's so
on all of them.
Beautiful. But I love those trees. They're so cool and they're so perfect.
And just right across the street here, that one.
Oh, I love that one too.
Yeah.
I love the yellow flowers.
And the pillars it has. And the palm trees. The palm trees are really beautiful. Nice touch.
It has Miami vibes for sure.
Miami vibes.
Yeah. But I'm sure that this is way cheaper than Miami. So
I know, we have to find one that's for sale and see what it is.
It is cool. What is that?
I don't know. What type of plant is that?
I need to Google it.
Bally has an app on her phone that says what this is. Did you find the name of this plant?
Yes, the name is Zika revolta and it's from the south of Japan. So, fun fact, it's really, really pretty. Ooh, I like this one.
This is the same house.
Oh.
But this is the front of it. So we were seeing the side, this is the front. Wow.
I love it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Nicer.
That's a grand like opening.
I'm sorry.
Huh?
I prefer this one than that one.
Yeah, it's really nice. Why don't you like this one? What do you mean too much?
Yeah, it has like that, like the tall door, that thing, that. Too much.
I really like it. I mean, it's huge.
It is huge.
Well, while we're walking, look what Pally found on the ground. What is that?
We're not sure. We think it's a coconut, but I don't think so.
I think it's a coconut because right here, this tree, it's a palm tree, and there's more of them hanging up there. You could die if you were walking under that and that fell and hit your head.
Oh yeah, absolutely. That's why I hope I'm not here when another one goes.
Although we don't want Pelly to die, the palm trees are really nice, and as I keep walking, they're even just all along the sidewalk here.
Oh wow.
It's really nice.
Wow, I didn't know they'd have those. Be careful.
Do you like the way the blue is on those windows?
I like it, but I'm not a huge fan. I'm super like traditional, white, classic, that's just me. But it's really nice. I think it's more like a old style. Like, I don't know. I'm going to say something that I have no idea, but it looks like 2000 style like houses. I like it, but I don't think that I want it in my house. But check it out. In most of the houses, they have the tree that I told you, the Japanese one.
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah, there's like
they do.
One.
They have one right here.
Yeah.
Huh. The Japanese style tree is very popular here in Brazil. You think the grass is perfect?
Yeah, look at this. Check this out.
It is actually really nice.
It is. I love it.
Look at the roads here. It's like a nice actual brick brick on here, which gives for a really nice like rustic, historic feel to it.
I love it.
Whoa, that's a super modern house.
Too modern in my opinion.
Too modern for you?
Yeah, I don't like it.
It's different.
Yeah, it is different. I think it's the first one that we see that it's so modern.
I like the wood on the garage.
Yeah.
And then they even have like this glass fence. It's a glass fence. I've never seen something like that. That's really different. And then just on the other side of the, like the plants. Huh. And the walkway. Another large wooden door like we've seen some other places. That's really different. But the greenery is super nice. I just can't get over how much greenery there is. Like with this being the path, the footway going into the house, and then just being welcomed basically by palm trees there in the middle. And then just how nicely cut these squares are for like footstones to enter the house. That's really nice. Really well done. But you know what we have to have if we live here?
What?
Obviously the Beamer.
Oh yeah, of course. I cannot live with that one.
Check these out. I love these like grass walls. You know what I mean? Like that's the house, and then this is like the fence, but just cut perfectly down here for like the walkway. These are really pretty.
They are.
Unfortunately, it's starting to rain again out here. Yeah, no good. We're hunkered down under a tree right here, trying to protect ourselves and the equipment from the rain. And hopefully it goes away soon. We're going to wait it out. This already looks too fancy. Wow. This is really nice and open. All right, here's the table. This place is nice. We weren't planning on coming to this restaurant slash bar, but we're here and it is a beautiful setting. So it's right on the beach. It just has a lot of nice tables, super modern looking, has like a nice jungle feel to it on the outside. And I'm just gonna find myself a good drink, I suppose. Taking a look at the drink menu, I see beers here. So a Corona, 23 ounce, like $4. A Stella is 20 reals, like $4 also. Shots of vodka, 29 reals, so about $6. If you wanted a gin and tonic, 56 reals, so about $11. Saludos.
Cheers.
Wow, this is the view from the restaurant.
So beautiful.
It is really beautiful. And that is the Isla do Francia that we went to. And that right there is the restaurant just right behind us. And it takes us just right out on this little pier to the beach. And this beach is only 2 blocks away from all those homes that we were viewing. That restaurant is only 2 blocks away from all those homes we're viewing. Wow, Pauli, look at the mountains behind you.
So beautiful.
Naturally, after seeing all those homes and how close they are to the beach with their great pools, great sizes and everything, we had to pull up the iPhone here and do a little house hunting. So I found one home, 2.9 million reales. Looks pretty nice on the inside. It's only about 547,000 US dollars. Not saying I have that by any means, but I do think that's a pretty solid price, especially compared to homes that are located in southern Florida, like Miami, that are along the beach. 547K sounds like a steal. the rain started to come down again, and we had to huddle quickly under another tree because we're absolutely terrified of getting all the equipment wet. But we were able to enjoy the luxurious neighborhood of Jurerê, do a little bit of house hunting there, and I guess we enjoyed our beer too. Definitely want to say yeah to that. So if you enjoyed this nomadic video, then consider hitting that subscribe button, and we'll see you along on the next adventure.